to my channel. As you can see from some of my past videos, this channel features different types of hauls as well as other contents. So today I would like to share with you a variety of great stuff I purchased from Primark. It's a mixture of clothing, jewellery, some household items and more. I think hauls are very informative because they provide a great opportunity to preview items before buying them. So let's dive straight into it. So these are the bags. So I will start with these, which are cargo jeans. So this is it. So this is something that I see trending on these camouflage cargo jeans, and I just thought this is really a good deal. Like, I got this for £20 and this is actually really a good deal because I've seen these type of camouflage cargo jeans and there were a lot more than this. And the material is actually really good, like the quality is really good. So yeah, I think this is a great bargain. And I also got this beauty tray, and this was £6 and it says it's a vibe. So yeah, I just think this is really handy for when I want to put some things that are on my dressing table, because I just have random stuff on my dressing table and it'll be very useful and neat to just put them here on this tray. So yeah, I think it's really good. And I also got this Bratz cleansing cloths. So this is it again. So they have a collection of Bratz stuff, and I wanted the mirror. I wanted their compact mirror, but it wasn't there. I didn't see it at the Primark that I went to. So I got the cleansing cloths, and yeah, I think it's cute. But I would have loved to have gotten the compact mirror as well because it's so cute with the Bratz doll face on it. That one looks really good. So again, this was £3.50 for this. Free cleansing cloth, so not bad. And I got these bracelets and it was £3.50. So this way looks like. I think they look really cute. And I got something like this again from Primark, but these are more pastel colors, so I thought let me get these as well because I really like these beaded bracelets. I think they're really cute. I think they're called friendship bracelets, but yeah. And it's 8 in a pack for £3.50, so that is also really good for the price. Then I also got this choker necklace and it's £4. So I heard like this was like a dupe for someone, I think it was on the Love Island, who had this choker, a lookalike choker. So yeah, but I think it's really cute with the stars. Again, this was £4. So yeah. Then I also got this t-shirt bra, and to be honest with you, this is really good for the price. Like, this was only £2.50 and I think it's really good. I haven't tried it yet, but yeah, I think it's really good for the price. So I got another one. So I got it in brown and I also got in black, but they come in different colors as well. They come in nice cute colors, purple, pink, and I think yellow as well, but yeah, in nude. So I got 2 of these, £2.50 each. I think they're really good for the price, and yeah, it seems comfortable as well, even though I haven't tried it yet, but hopefully it'll be okay. And I got these lovely large bendy hair rollers, and it was only £1.50. So yeah, thinking back, I should have got more. So how many is in here? Okay, so there's 6 in here. I should have got another one. Next time when I go to Primark, I'll get another one because 6 would not be enough for me. So yeah, but this is it again. Then I got this plain black t-shirt. You can never get enough of these black t-shirts. So this was £2.50. And I got it in the size medium because I wanted it to be a bit loose on me. But yeah, this is it. And it's really soft. I love it. Okay, it's called slouchy tee, no wonder. But yeah, I love the style of it. It's a round neck. And yeah, I think it's good for the price. Only £2.50. Next, I got this 2 vacuum bags. So this was on sale for £2. It was originally £5, but I got it for £2. This would be really, really good to store my clothes and then vacuum it as well, so I would have more room space. So yeah, let's see if I can just show you one of them. Wow, I didn't realize it would be this big. Wow, it's really, really good. Like, I can store a lot of clothes in here. I didn't realize it was so big, so that's a good thing. So yeah, it's really good for the price. It's really, really good. I wasn't expecting that. I got these cute pairs of socks. So it's 5 pairs of crew socks and it was only £2.50. So yeah, I love that it's colourful. It's also really soft. I bought these socks before, but in the black colour, but I didn't realise that they also had these in different colours as well. So yeah, I'm glad I got these. They come in green, grey, pink, purple and yellow. So they're so cute. They're really, really cute. And I also got this cotton robe basket. So this is it. And I got it for £3.50. I love how deep it is. I have enough room to put any bits and bobs. Yeah, I really like it. It's so cute. Comes in different colors as well. I love pastel colors. I love these type of colors. So yeah, and it's also really useful to put different stuff, random bits here. Then I also got this brown eyeliner. This is what it looks like. And it was only £1, so it was only for £1. So yeah, not bad. Hopefully it will be good because I haven't tried this eyeliner yet, so hopefully it's good. Then I got these long square matte glue-on nails. So this was originally £1, but I got it on sale for 50p. They look cute, so yeah. Then I got these 2 pairs of cozy socks. This is what they look like. They're so cute. Comes in blue and purple. Then I also got these flip-flops in purple. So these were only £1. They have so many colors that you can choose from. Then I also got these pink slippers. So these were for £3.50, which I feel is really good. I feel it's a good bargain. And they're so soft. They've got memory foam in them, so it's really, really soft and gentle on your feet. And these come in different colors as well, but I got it in like this lovely pink color. I just love it. Oh, this is like a bubblegum pink color. I just love it. I just think it's cute. It's really soft and it's also good for the price. £3.50. And I got these boots. So these I got it for £7, and I feel that this is a great bargain. Like, this is like the dupe for the UGG boots, and it feels comfortable as well. They also have it in the short length as well, the short version. So if you want that, I think that one is £6 if you want those, but I just wanted the standard size. So this is it again. Oh, this is khaki, so I got it in the shade khaki. But they also have this in black, pink, grey, all kinds of colors. So yeah, I just really love these. Like, this is a great dupe for the UGG boots. Seriously, only £7. And I got this choker set. So I got 5 of these, only for £3.50. This choker set. I just feel like they're really cute. I love wearing chokers, as you can see. So yeah, I think this is really good. 5 for £3.50, and they're so cute. And lastly, I got this pajama set, which is the short sleeve cuffed leg PJ set. So this is it. So this is the top. And now let me show you the bottoms. And this is what the bottoms look like. And you see, this is the cuffed leg. Yeah. And this was only £7. So yeah, it feels good. I love the quality of this, and yeah, I've bought other pajamas from Primark before and the quality is really good. So yeah, okay, so that's it for this haul. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this inspirational and that you have also got some ideas about the latest stuff to try out. Please don't forget to give this a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get updates on my new videos. See you in the next one.